Y'all ready for this?
Years of having never a filter under drain failure. Our competition have a completely different experience. And with us getting out there in the marketplace, folks like yourself helping us get the word out, things are happening. I'm excited, super excited, very thankful for y'all to get the word out there and convince people, don't go with the folded sheet metal, don't go with the plastic block, go with the reinforced concrete monolithic Centurion under drain from Orthos. So here's to Orthos. 25 years and 25 more years. Here, Orthos.
Y'all ready for this?